Welcome. Are you with me? Okay, so today we'll be discussing on how to use your chart on the screen. Okay, and what all this menu represents. Everything you need in the forex market with your MT5 and MT4, you can be able to use the system very well, because the reason why MT5 was created or MT4 was created is to help technical analysis, to have a platform where they can be able to view the market and view the chart. You know, remember I have told you, I taught you about the candlestick pattern, line chart, and bar chart. Without MetaTrader, we will not be able to view the price action and know what it looks like. So the symbol of this candlestick, price action, candlestick, bar chart. This is bar chart. This is bar chart. You can see that the price, the candlestick, the charts have changed to bar chart. If you change to line, this is line chart. So we use this MetaTrader platform to see what the market look like. Some people prefer using line charts to know the direction of the market, to see clearly where the market is actually going. Why some people use bar charts to know the valid opening and the closing price. People have reason why they use any chart to view the market, which is price action. But 95% of the world population who are trading forex prefer using candlestick. Okay, candlestick is a valid picture of price action that can explain better. Both professionals, beginners use this candlestick. Don't forget, candlestick, blind chart, all of them can also be used in, if you are a stock trader, stock market trader, all this chart is also there. Okay, but before we go on, I'm going to be explaining each of these icons and what they represent. Okay, this is called file. Under this file, you will get to see so many things in it. Now, under this file, you can create a new chart here. When you click a new chart, a clear chart will open. If you want to go offline, you can use here too. Being offline here means that you want to create an offline chart. Okay, like if maybe you are not listing online, you can use that as an offline chart. But this file also, now this offline chart means that if there is no network, or maybe you want to do a backtest, you can use this offline view. Then under here, if you want to delete, open or delete any asset class, you know, we have different asset class here. You can just click here now. Once you click, it will open a new, you know, I have opened so many charts. Don't forget that I have opened so many charts on this back office. I have opened so many charts. So if I want to delete all the open charts that I have opened, both the one I have forgotten, as far as it's concerned, I have opened it before, and I want to delete them, I can go to this place, that same place, under this place. I will just click and be deleting them one after the other. Okay, then on this place is your profile. Okay, this place is where if you want to set your default and every other things, this is the place. Now, like this place now, if I want to use British pounds now, I want to make it trade like this, I can do it. All the default, now these are the asset class I've been using all this while. Okay, I want to turn all of them to British pounds. This is it. It will just show like this. Meanwhile, after I finish this particular class, you will go to your chart. You will share your chart with me so that you will get to understand what I'm trying to say. But at this initial stage, you will not easily understand. So now I'm just trying to explain each of these five to you. Okay, so let me delete all these ones first, because now that's not what I am. So I want to use my naked. Now, under this file, remember when we wanted to log into your account? When you want to install any indicator or any robot that you have, it is here that you will go. Open data folder. Okay. If you want to install anything, then you now go to MQL4. When it comes to that, you will learn how to do that. When you come to that, you learn how. So under this MQL4, you know why it is MQ? That's MetaTrader 4 back office, where you can install any robot or indicator that you got or you bought. You want to install it on your account. With the help of this open data folder, you can install it. Okay, that is one sweet thing about this file. Under this file, so many things is inside. Then here, if you want to open accounts, you want to create accounts, this is place. If you have not created account with the broker you can as well pass through your MetaTrader to create accounts for yourself. Then if you want to log into your trading account, maybe you have created an account. Remember what we did that day? You put in your ID number, you put your password, put the system. Is it a demo? Then you now log in. Okay. Now that one has been done. If it works automatically, this place will start showing network, showing that the thing is valid. If it's not working, maybe you did not insert the right data. What did I call the right information on that file? Then it will show invalid accounts. So there are so many. This one is log into. If you want to log into MQL5 community, there is a community of traders where you can as well get other things, whether robots or whether indicators or and also a strategy managers, global strategy. With this MQL5 community, you can go there and open accounts with them, sign up. If you have not signed up, you register. Once you click register, maximum opportunity with them. Anything you need, whether indicator, whatever indicator you have been looking for, here you will get it with this community. Okay, so now we are through with this file. We have print setup. You can set your print, you can reset your print, and all these ones are not necessary for now, but with time, while you start using it, you start getting used to it. Here is, instead of you now to go to all these bar, now you can just go to here. You want to shake your bar. If you want to shake your bar now, let's say you go to this preview now. This, if you want to put this as symbol, okay, these are symbol. If you want to show your market work, you see Control M. Okay, if you want to show your window data, you click Control D. If you want to, this is navigator, here is navigator. If you want this navigator to appear, you can either come to this view and put your navigator, or you click Control. All of them have their control. This, if you want to chart, you click Control M. Okay, this is code that you can click to get this. Let's say if I click Control Y now, look at what will happen. I will click Control Y. You see, period separator will appear. If I click it again, Control Y, it will disappear, because I have the code to use and get what I want. Okay, you cannot know everything the same day, but with time, once you start touching all these things, you start getting used to it. Now, bar chart tools under this place. Now, if you don't want to, now let's say now I am in this account. Let's say here, let's say now, sorry, look at here now. I want to You see the bar chart, that candlestick, I cannot see this thing, but once I put in this, look at what I will do now. Once I tick all of them, everything will appear here. Just watch. Once I come here and under here, I come to toolbar, this toolbar now. Look at this toolbar now. I will remove line, I will remove time frame now. See this time frame. You see this time frame, it will disappear. Once I remove this good, do you see that it has disappeared? Sometimes you open your chart, you are not seeing time frame. You just go to view, under view, go to tool. Once you click good on time frame, you see it has appeared. Okay, the same thing again. If I want to remove it, I remove it. If I don't want to remove it, if I want to add it, like this standard, this chart now, look at this chart now. Once I click it now, this place, all this place, this line chart icon, candlestick will disappear. Just check out now. Do you see that? It's not there again. Some people, they don't know once their own disappear, they will be looking for it. They don't know where to put it. So with the help of this view here, view means that anything you are missing in your icon, you can come in under your tool. The one that is not marked good, you click on it, it will appear. You can see that now. So now let's talk about this here from here. This is template. If you have a strategy like now, I have this strategy, call it naked forest. Then I will come to this template. Now I'll come here, I'll click save. Okay. When I click save, I will now write naked forest 2. Naked forest. Okay. I just give it a name because I have so many strategies. So any strategy you save, automatically, once you click save, it has already saved. So anytime you want to need it, just come here and search. Okay, look at the one naked forest. I come and click it. Look at, I have many strategies here. This is another strategy. This is another strategy. This is another strategy. This is another strategy. So any strategy you have set and you want to save it, and so that anytime you want to insert it, you just click that. Like this one naked forest that I have. Look at it. I put it now. The system will automatically change to that this thing. This is called template, where you save your strategies or whatever thing that you have learned, and you set it finish, and then you want to save it so that in case you want to use it, you just go and click on it and insert it, will automatically appear on your market watch. Then here is your period. Maybe you are the type of trader that like to trade 30 minutes. With here, these are time frame. Oh yeah, we have monthly time frame, weekly time frame, daily time frame. Like if you remember what I taught you on the other class, I said that we have different types of trader. They fall under all this range, and each of this candle form within this. If you set 1 hour time frame, if I put 1 hour, means that each of this candle now will finish after 1 hour. Now another candle will form. That means all this candle here form in one hour. Whether the tiniest one or the big one, they all form in 1 hour. Are you with me? Then the next one is, if I pick daily time frame now, each of this candle, all this candle you are seeing here, they form daily. There is this one that is forming now. After 24 hours now, which is after today, another candle will now form. Do you get it? Now, the next one is that this is where this place is called the period. In case you want to change, maybe you cannot see, maybe this thing, this time will disappear. Let's say under this view now, and you now check to time frame now disappear. This is time frame, and you are looking for your time frame. You could not. I cannot see my time frame. Oh, I don't know where it is. So then you use this one. You can use this one to set your time frame. Okay, if you don't have idea. But if you have idea, you just automatically go here and go to tool. Under tool, you do what? You tick your time frame. It will appear automatically so that it will be easy for you. This one is for icon for people that don't know. Then here now is shift. Let me say I want to shift this thing to front now. You see, the thing will shift front. If I want to shift it back, I shift it back. If I want to shift it front, I shift it front. You see, shift. And if you just click it, You see it shift, it will shift end of the chart from right border. So anywhere you want to shift it, you want to see clear. Some people like their chart to look like this so that they can see space and be seeing what is happening. Some people like their charts to be like this, So it all depends on your own view. Then here, this one is, let's say now you want to go back. Let's say I want to go back. Anytime I try to go back, the market will bring me back again to the main chart. You see, if I go back, it will always bring me back. You see, it will, you just watch, it has brought me back again. But if I click here now, inside, it will not be dragging me back again. It will allow me to keep going back. Maybe I want to do some shake. I want to shake some trend. What is happening? What happened in the previous to determine. So I can go back without the thing shifting me back again. So whenever you are struggling to go front, to go back, and whenever you push back, the thing will take you back again to the main chart, to the current running trade. Then you can then click here to pause the live trade so that I can be able to do what? Shake what you want to shake. After that, you can then play it back again. Now here is, maybe you have different period of trade, like now, this is it. Okay, you have maybe 5 trades running, okay? And then you want to, maybe let's say, let me add other pairs. Let me add this one. 1. I add another one again. 2. I add another one again. Okay. Now I want to see all the charts in one row. I can just click here. Network is giving me. Okay. So I can, once I click here, all of them will appear. Let's say, I'm coming for something now. Now, okay, so once I click here, now look at what I'm about to do. Look at what I'm about to do. I'm going to add other one pair now. 1 shekel, 2, 3, 4. As many trades as you have, and you don't want it to be like this. You just have to go to this place. You see, they are all in 4 places. Are you seeing that? They are all in 4 places. Then you can then decide, okay, should I take this one? Then anyone you choose, like maybe GJ, you pick GJ, just click like this. You click it to make it full. Then you can then here is to zoom in. If you want to zoom out, you want to zoom out to view the chart very clear. You can use that plus. Let me close most of this so that I can know what I'm doing. Let's say now I want to see what I want to do analysis now. Maybe you want to do analysis on a particular asset. You cannot do analysis. You cannot do analysis by viewing the thing very very clear like that. You can't view analysis. You zoom out to know where the market. First of all, you need to know where the market is. We are coming for that. So looking at this market now, this market from here to here, is it uptrend? Yes, it's an uptrend. So you now say, okay, this is an uptrend. So what has happened now? I want to know where to enter. Is this an uptrend? This, if you're a good analysis, you know what you are doing. But as we keep going, I'm just trying to tell you that if you have so many icons here and you want to see all of them at the same time working, this is what you do. This is it. You click here to see, maybe you want to view all of them. You want to be seeing all of them. This is called market watch. You want to monitor Australia NZD. You want to be monitoring GBP JPY. You want to be monitoring everything. If you get to that level, not now, because now you sit on one and monitor it and know what the market is saying. Then the next one is this one. Like I've said, after you must, maybe you want to view only one, you click here. This is to see clearly, maximize. You can see minimize. Here is to delete. This is maximize, minimize, delete. So you want to maximize it, now maximize the chart so you can see only that one. You don't want to see all of them because you don't want any confusion. Then here, if I want to zoom out, I want this thing to be very tiny. I zoom out, this is it. If I want to zoom in, I want to see the candlestick. This here is where I will be. You see that if you want to zoom more clearly, here if you want to zoom out, so this place is zoom in, zoom out. They even wrote it, zoom out, zoom in. Here is line chart. Remember when we talked about line chart? We talked about some people prefer using line chart to see clearly where the market is heading to, why some prefer using bar chart, and why some 95% of traders prefer using candlestick. Now here is known as auto trading. Maybe you are the type that you want to on your robot to be trading without you placing any trade. You can then use auto trading, or you want to do a back test with a software. With the help of this auto trading, it runs and without you controlling it, just like you automatical control. The thing will be using its hand to placing trade by itself, or maybe you are trying to do back test on something and you are using that platform, okay? A system that helps you to monitor previous data events. So once you click play, if you just click play, it will start playing. If there is robot, it will start playing, but there is no robot. But for it to function very well, it must be on a VPS, okay, virtual private server. So this private server is a place where there is 24 hours internet, where they created it so that, you know, when you off your laptop now, this trade will not be running like that. But once it cannot be running and be placing trade without VPS, these softwares or indicator will work on VPS. VPS is called virtual private server. This server is a 24-hour system. It's a computer system that runs 24 hours. Internet is inside. No disruption of internet. The thing is running 24 hours. Nobody is distracting it. That is called VPS, where you install your robot and your robot will be functioning without no distraction, without no say there is no internet. In that VPS, there is 24 hours consistent internet. Then here is register an account to trade. Maybe you want to register accounts now. Like I told you on your listing, you can register your account, okay? Then you get pack this thing. All this is not necessary. So here is to register your visual server. Maybe you want to create your own visual server. You register it. All of them, they have already created system like this. So here is to register. If you want to have a visual server of your own, you can register your own in this platform. So first thing, you just click here, then you come here. Now it's a MetaTrader visual hosting. You want to host your own visual, okay? Forex time standard demo. You want to host it and the thing will start. Either you want to rent or you want to buy, anything you want to do is here. You can do it with your broker, okay? Maybe you want to use their visual. You know, every broker have their own visual server, which is VPS. You can either use it. Maybe if you have made their standard to qualify to use their broker, it's okay. Okay. Now here, if you want to, maybe you want to set the language of your system. You don't want this thing. You can do that. If you want to set it, okay, you can do that. You can code your whatever you want to. But if you don't want to, just focus on why you are here. That one is not necessary for now. That one is not necessary for now, okay? But on this note, I keep. Now, if you want to place trade, now here is where we are going. If you want to place trade as a person, you use here. Now, here is, if you want, anytime you want to place trade on your system, this one is for your laptop. You come here, click new order. You remember I taught you pending order, instant execution. So if that you want to, let's say, let me give an example now. Sorry. Let me give an example now. I want to sell now. Just click sell. Automatically, the trade will start selling. Okay. Now look at now. You can see clearly I'm in loss now because I am selling. Although I did not do another, I'm just showing you, this is a demo account. I'm just showing you so that you understand. If you want to sell now, you sell. Then if I want to buy now, look at it. I'll click here again. I will buy. Okay. Now, if you want to put stop loss and take profit, let's say this trade now, maybe I sold. Okay. Here I sold here. On this cell now, I will come to this particular cell. This is it. This one is where did they, okay, this is the cell. I will come and click on it, right click on it and click modify. There is a place they call modify trade. Now, I want to use this place as my stop loss. I will now type modify. Modify, I will come here. This is my stop loss. My stop loss should be 151.48. Sorry, .485. That is my stop loss. Okay. Then my take profit should be here. 150,700. I come here and do my 150.700. Okay. Once I click it now, you will see what will happen. It will show. It has shown. So now this stop loss that I put, if market eventually get to this stop loss, it will knock me out. I'll be in deep loss. Then for this my buy, this is my buy on, right? This one is my buy. I right click again. I come and modify it. That's why it's good. You don't place trade before you first set your trade on pending order. Now on this particular buy, I will come again and do that same thing, modify. You know, if you are selling, your stop loss will be at the top and your take profit will be at the bottom, just like what we did here. This is your stop. This red line is your stop loss. Here is if you are buying, your stop loss will be at the bottom, your take profit will be at the top. So this is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to put my stop loss I'm going to use, since I know this market is, so I'm going to use this 151.225 as my stop loss, okay? 151.225 as my stop loss. Then here as my, this one I'm showing you is instant execution. Then pending order is when you set. Now let me do take profit. Take profit 151.745. Okay, 151.745. and I'll place it. I don't modify them. So I have already set. Now with the help of your stop loss and your take profit, it helps you to manage your risk. And if you know how to calculate your, what do they call it? Calculate your risk management, which we are going to be discussing. See why this training is very expensive. So now on this note now, you are able to know where to see. And anytime you want to place your trade, if you want to place trade, because what I encourage clients, my clients, is to use pending order instead of this instant execution, okay? Because instant execution is very wide. When you place trade, it can widen your spread because you are instantly executing. So your broker will not want to be in loss. But if you use pending order, it helps a lot because pending order will help your broker to give them chance to calculate so that you will not lose, they will not lose. They will give you accurate price level. So if I'm using instant execution, pending order, since I'm using instant, that was why I just place sell or buy. But here now, since I'm using pending order, I will come to this place. Under is you see type, under that type, you see inside, you click on it, you see where they say pending order. You click on pending order. Which type of sell? Is it sell stop or buy limit? Now we are using sell stop or buy stop. We are not using buy limit, or we are not using any limit order. I already explained limit order to you on the beginners class. But now let me say what we are going to limit. Then buy stop order is on a safe side. It helps market to do whatever thing. And once they get to a certain level, if they are really going to buy or sell, they will come and meet us and pick us. If they are not buying, they will not buy. If they are buying, they will meet us and pick us. If they will not buy, they will not pick us, and we will not lose. And the only thing is that the trade will not trigger and we are not losing. So it's better than just jumping into the market or entering at an initial level, like using limit order. When market is still going up, it pick you and you don't know if the market will keep going up and it will knock you and you'll be in deep loss. So now we are using buy stop. Buy stop is when you are buying above the current buying price. Maybe price is rising up now, you now set your ending order here. Say, okay, if price reach here, that means true to the price is buying. Okay, if market is selling and market is still here, then you now set your entry point here. Market will come and pick you and keep selling. This is called sell stop and sell. This is so if you notice my signal, I used to put sell stop, buy stop, because it gives you opportunity to set your entry point very well, and also it gives you opportunity to calculate your risk and do everything you want to do. So before price will come and pick you, you have already set everything and you know how much you are willing to expose. So that is what that icon, this particular icon, but let me delete this trade. This particular icon, I say new order, is where you place your execution. On other new order, you have pending order, you have instant execution, you have pending order, which is buy stop, sell limit, and buy limit. Then here is another tool. You want to test your strategy. With the help of this tool now, you know how to use your testing. This one is for advanced class. Maybe you want to test a particular strategy. With the help of strategy tester, you can use it to do that. Okay, that is what strategy tester is. A software created by some professional bodies in this trading business, that client can use it to test how profitable is their strategy. They can use it using the previous chart data. They will now be studying that whether that strategy is very profitable. With this strategy tester, if you want to use it, after you must have set your parameter, everything here, you click start. Okay, then it will now start. It will now go. Maybe you pick the date that you want it, the date you want the strategy tester to start testing. Maybe the date, the event, maybe past event, but you want it maybe from 2019 to 2021. So it will start from 2019 and start testing that your strategy to know whether that your strategy is very profitable or not. By the time you must have tested it and see, oh, this strategy is good or this strategy is not good because of the result. By the time the strategy must have done everything, it will not give you result and print. If you want to print it, if you want to view it, you view it and see if the strategy is good or not. If it's not good, so what this strategy tester does is after you finish using it, come back again and click, it will disappear. If you want to test another strategy, you use it. Well, on that one too, you get to know. Then another one is, this place is called terminal. If I want all here to disappear, I will just click here now. It will disappear. If I want it to appear, I want to see my trade running, my running trade, I will just click. So anytime you want your terminal to disappear, you click here. If you want it to appear, click here. Okay, so here is your navigator. Navigator is here. If you want it to disappear, look at, if I want it to disappear, it has disappeared. Are you seeing that? If I want it to appear, it will appear. If I want it to disappear, it will disappear. If I want it to appear, it will appear. So these are icons that help us. Then this one is called data window. Now look at it here. This particular data window, you see, it helps you. Let's say I pick a candle now. This is a candle. I use this candle, this particular candle now. With this data window, it will tell me the high of the candle, this candle that this line is now. You see this candle that, let's say, let me use this running, this particular candle again, where this my cross is. I use now. With this, my data window, I can be able to know the time, the date that candle formed. Now look at under this candle now, this particular candle I put my line on. Now you will see that candle formed 22 of this, which is today, 2000, and today it formed today. It formed at 18 o'clock. Okay, then the opening price was 150.917. The high means this high of the candle. Okay, the low. So you don't need to be worrying yourself. Maybe you don't understand this, so you just say, okay, I want to know the high of this candle. With the help of this data window, you can be able to get it. So this place is where you get this data here, or you use Control D or use this icon. Okay, this is it. Then here is market watch. If I want this market watch, this particular one, this place to disappear, I will click here. Only my terminal will be there. If I want my market watch to appear, I will click. Do you see that? So if you want to insert your market watch, you just come here and click this. If you want to remove your market, add your market, where you put it, remove, put it, just like this terminal, this particular one. Okay, let me remove this terminal now. Let me remove market watch. You see that everything is the market is just wide open, because if you want to see your chart to be wide, you don't want to see anything, and they just want to be viewing your chart so that I can know what you are doing. But if I want my market watch to appear, I want to pick a pair. Maybe I want to pick Euro USD. I open my market watch. Okay. Now, another way you can, this one is called profile. Here is your profile. It maybe you want to, this is your main chart. You want to use GBP pounds. You want all the pairs to become GBP. Under this your profile, it will show GBP. Now look at, so this profile now is where you can remove some particular pairs from here. You can either add, okay, that is it. Then here is if you want to create a new chart, maybe you don't want to use True Market Watch, you just want to create. And all here is major. Remember I taught you about major currencies. Under here is major currency. Here is minor currency. Here is exotic currency, depending on the currency you want to trade. But for now, you are going to be trading major pairs. So major pairs is a general pairs that has no spread, that does not have a wider, wider spread. Exotic pair, why they are pairs, they are listening well, because people are not going there. So once you go there, they will want to charge you big money before you, and by the time they must have charged you, before your trade you will hit take profit, you are still in loss because you are still paying for charges. So that's why we encourage people to go for major pairs, not minor pair. Go for major pairs, and that's GU. You can see major pair here now. Under here is major pair. See, these are the assets of major pair. Now, if you want to trade spot gold, this is spot gold. This is gold. This one is called gold. Sorry, this is gold. This is silver and other this thing. Then we have indices like DJU and DXY. These are indices. When I thought about this and I gave assignments for those who are serious. CDF indices. This CDF indices is like S&P 500. Don't forget, in the forex market, you can also trade Facebook. We have shares accounts. We have so now this is UK. When I say ND100, is the best 100 company in New York, in UK. Then we have S&P 500. S&P 500 is the best best 500 share company in USA. Australia owned, all of them have their, even Japan 225, the best 225 companies. If you want to trade this company, you can just trade. Maybe you want to trade S&P 500. This S&P comprises of shares of the best 500 company that is appreciating in America. So these are called CDFs. We have commodity like I said earlier, that we trade crude, we trade gas, we trade Brent. Then under here we also have your country. This is Nigeria is a exotic economy. You say if you want to trade Euro USD, Euro Nigeria, your USD Naira. For those of you look at the chart of Nigeria, you see Nigeria, it's not moving, it's just like that. It's not going up, it's not going down. The economy of Nigeria is like they are not moving. They see economy, it go up, it go down, it just there like that. You know, they move in normal trend. Normally a valid economy is supposed to have what we call a trend line. So now imagine now you go by here for this kind of economy where they stagnant, you know, they go up, you know, they go down, you know, they just go like that. Which person will fit trade for this economy? A good economy will be Britain. Look at Euro, GBP, USD. See the artists, the economy, they go up, they move in direction. But Nigeria will know they move in direction. So will you want to trade that kind of economy? Nobody wants to trade in economy that is not moving up, is not breathing. Economy that is just stagnant. And one of the things that is causing the economy to be stagnant, when there is poor infrastructure, when there is insecurity, when there is no investor, no investor wants to come to a country where their money is not safe. So the economy is not going. Look at now, this is 30 minutes. You see, you will see what is happening. The thing is breathing, the price is breathing, the market is moving. The market is moving. That to show you that the economy of America is moving gradually. But the economy that is not moving, you will know. Economy that is not moving, it will not be, you will not be seeing, it will just be stagnant like Nigerian, that Nigerian economy. And third world country, apart from not be only Nigeria, see in America, you see say the thing is moving. Are you seeing that? It's moving. The thing is, chart is moving, telling you that people are investing in America, going out, coming in, going out. The economy is going up, going up. If you look at the chart, is going. What do you see here? This is called uptrend. Market is going up. Abi? That's, you know, that market is going up. Well, let's check Nigerian own. Okay, let's check Nigerian own so that you see what I mean. This is Nigerian to US dollar. See what is happening. Is this how economy is supposed to be? This is not economy. That's why you see people, they are not invested. The only person controlling the economy of Nigeria is Dangote. That's why he can decide to move price dollar to, like this. He can decide to move it down. It's just like that. Bram, 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 bram. Nothing is moving. Okay, I put it just like that, stagnant. Just, it's not going up, it's not going up. It has been like that for many years. It doesn't have direction. Tell me which direction this month. Look at now. See. I'm putting it in the highest. Even the monthly chart. Can a valid look at it? Nothing is happening. I'm just showing you something so that you know the kind of country we are. We are in a last world country. I can't call it third world. If I call it third world, it's like I'm trying to upgrade the country. I'm lying against the country. The country is a last world country. So I believe you have got to now. We are through with all this one. And this is called arrow. If you want to be using arrow, okay, this is called arrow. This one is called cross share. You can either click this cross share. It helps you to, you see, if you want to see something clearly, you want to point something. Okay, I want to connect to this candle. With the help of this cross share, it will now help you to, you will now be seeing different high, low, and all those stuff. Then this one is line. Maybe you want to draw a line. This one, you use this line now. You put line here. You want to demarcate something. You want to get something here with this line symbol. Then you want to draw line, maybe your resistance and support line. This is your support here. You can use this one to set it. That is it. Then if you want to draw a line, trend line, maybe you want to draw a line, you use this one. You once you click on it, you come to your chart, you left click and hold, and then use your distance and draw like as if you are drawing, to be showing any length you want it to go. It will go after I finish. Then this one is for channel. If you want to use channel, this is channel. Maybe you want to see whether your price is moving in channel. Okay, that maybe you want to check the any channel with this channel, this thing, you can also set it. You can also set it like this. Wait, sorry. You can arrange it. If you want to remove this ray, then that is it. So whenever you are moving and all those stuff. Then another one is Fubinashi, which we are going to be discussing. And also I will send the free video later when I'm free, because this training is not easy. Then this one is Fubinashi. We have, this is called Fubinashi extension. This one is called Fubinashi retracement. Let me find a chart that I will use to if I want to pick a pen now, maybe Euro USD. Now I am using Fibonacci. So Fibonacci is what we use to measure if our market has broken, have swapped to either extension. Maybe the market is not in a retracement level, but it's on a reversal level or an extension. So with time, I will talk about Fibonacci, but these are tools that helps you to view the market clearer and see what the market looks like. So we use Fibonacci to identify what do we call? We use Fibonacci to also identify where we have dynamic support and resistance level. You know, when we say support is a level whereby market always get to and reverse. Like here is a support. Then resistance is where market gets, when market is buying and get to a certain level and turn back, like this level now. Here is, look at here, this particular level now. If you look clearer, you see that when market was coming down from here, it got to this level, it pulled down, it pulled up, we get it, it gathered enough momentum and break it. Okay, when market got to this level, it did what? It went up again, it came down, it went up again to this level, this same place again. So here your previous resistance can become your support, and your preferred when you got to that level, because I know now you don't know those things, but I'm just trying to tell you how this icon work. So whenever you have issue, you use this video to help yourself. Then here is whenever maybe you want to set it as number, you can come here. Maybe you want to set here A. Here is A. You can write it A. Then you now say okay. The A will appear here. You now come here and say B. You come here again. You pick this alphabetic number. Come here again. You now write here again. B. Maybe you are doing something, or maybe you are doing some analysis. So here is A, here is B. So with that, with this this thing, you can be able to set your this. If you know how to use the icon very well. The same thing with this one now. Now, if you want to also add your own, you can label. This place is for labeling. You can label a level for your own good. Maybe you want to get something out based on your back testing. Now here is arrow. If you want to pick any arrow, thumb up, thumb up, maybe you want to put it here. Okay, you want to shift it, you want to also widen it. Maybe you want to say this is thumb up. Okay, all these are symbols. Are you seeing that? Maybe you want to test, you want to show some guys say market will soon go down. Let's give an example now. Maybe you want to, you are doing analysis, you now come to this. Okay, how do I let people know that this market will go down? You now pick this arrow and come and set it here. Sorry, maybe this, you pick the one that is going down, this one, and come and put it here. You can say, look at it, market will soon go down. And after that, market did what? Market fell down. You see? So these symbols, like I've shown you, all these ones are time frame. Okay, I have explained everything. Since I cannot hear you, I have to end the class. So I will send you the recorded version on how to use your MetaTrader 4 and 5 in a practical process. So anybody can. I will also post this video on our YouTube page so that people can know how to use it also. Thank you once again and have a nice day. I will send you the recorded version.